Let's come to the third one. These are easy to begin with, right? So yes, even you can see that it's categorized as easy. We have medium, we have hard also later on. So we are going to cover all of this slowly. Okay, all right. So let's come to Python division. Here it covers a really interesting concept. Like, see here, the task is the provided code reads two integers a and b from standard input. So yeah, we can see like we are taking two inputs, then we are converting it to integer. Okay, so we can see that. Next, add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division, a / b. The second line should contain the result of float division, a by b. So what do you think? So the first line, it will print the integer, and the second line will be the float division. You know one thing, friend, when we perform division, the result that we see, it's already float. Yes, friend. So the thing is, the first one, let me just store the result inside C. So C equals A divided by B. We have this. Okay, we have performed the division method. We need to print the integer result. So as I have mentioned, like when you perform the division, it's already being in float format. Okay, so you need to perform typecasting. So we are converting it to integer. That's it. And for the second one, we need to show the result of the float division, which is already being stored inside C. So it's already in float division. You need not to perform any kind of typecasting or anything. So let's hit run code. There you go. We have passed the test case. Let's hit submit. Okay, there you go. Yup, congratulations, we have solved this challenge. You have solved this challenge. Alright guys, so that's it. Here you can, here there are some more tabs that you can see, like editorial, tutorial is also there. You can take a look at it. See, like integer division. Okay, we can even perform it like this. Let me show you. Let's go inside submissions. Let's create one more. Let's come to the problem. Let me reset the code. I guess I will go inside that only. Okay, see here, integer division, a / b. So the first one, a / b. Yes, we got passed. That's it guys. In our coding challenges, there could be multiple ways of solving it. You may end up with the optimized solution, you may end up with something else, but the thing is you need to do the task. Okay, you need to know the way of how to solve it. That's the thing, friend. Okay, it's checking only that. It is not checking the ways that you are solving it. Okay, alright guys, so that's it. See you in our next challenge. Till then, have fun, take care.